Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. I'm Rich Robin. I'm going to walk you through this 2448 wide cut single door with a counterweight, 3 gauges, 14-inch stainless steel brushed 304 grade drop down shelf. We've got D-rings. Anybody that's going to be picking these pits up need to put the D-rings on them. I highly recommend that for securing these in your trailer. They're big, they're heavy. This pit weighs about I think 1,100 pounds. It is a heavy beast of a Gator pit. Gator badging, adjustable stacks. We've got the extra side access door, 1/4-inch thick removable fire grate in case you did want to use this 2448 for grilling. If you needed a big grill area, you've got the ability to do it in this pit. We've got more Gator badging, and we've got our Gator pit gauges and that heavy duty counterweight. Inside, you've got your upper and lower sliding meat racks. You've got your tuning plates down below, 1/4-inch thick, fully welded deflector shield or heat shield in there as well. And of course, you got your internal door flanging, top and bottom. And let's see, your beautiful Gator pit hinges that we make in-house. Look at those welds, just gorgeous welds. That drop-down shelf, let me just show you that real quick. That's that 304 brushed stainless. Got some Gator etching in the middle of it there as well. Stainless steel rivets, heavy-duty hinges. And we get over to the firebox. This is a round 1/4-inch thick firebox, but it has the Rich's Edition box top on it. That's another layer of 1/4-inch thick steel plate that we put on top of that. It does 2 things. It gives you a flat top for preheating wood or sauce or water or whatever you want to put up there to get some heat on it. Secondly, it also provides an insulation to the top of the firebox. Heat rises, right? So you got a double quarter wall layer between the 1/4-inch round pipe that goes all the way around and then the 1/4-inch box top. Dial style air intake vents with the cool touch handles and your gas assist, 1/4-inch thick angle framed, reinforced in the middle fire grate. And then of course you got your protective plate over your gas line back here and your gas assist valves, quick connect hose, and we got some Gator pit tools back here, the hash rake, the ash rake and the fire poker, stainless steel handles for that and a rear hanger for it. There it is with the door open. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Gator pit, guys. This thing is gorgeous. Looks even nicer in person than it does in this video, I can tell you that. No leaky doors, just nice welds, nice tight door seams. Beautiful pit. Push-pull handle on the side, 1/2-inch rod welded on there. And of course, your heavy-duty log rack, big 6-inch commercial casters, grease zerks to grease your hubs and your bearings, and also the foot brakes on there. You can see the brakes on and off. Very nice pro port for your wired devices. Very nice Gator pit, 2448. You'll see this on my website at gatorpit.net. There's my contact information. Again, this is my 2448. It's very similar to the Rich's Edition, but doesn't have quite the custom features on it. But it was based off of the Rich's Edition, but it's got a lot of the similar features. You'll look at the Rich's Edition and see what I'm talking about. See ya.